A premium kitchen deserves premium essentials, and a high-quality bamboo cutting board set is one of them. Combining natural elegance, lasting durability, and everyday functionality, the right cutting board transforms meal preparation into a more enjoyable experience. Stay with us as we explore the best bamboo cutting board sets that perfectly balance craftsmanship, performance, and value. There are many bamboo cutting board sets to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the bamboo cutting board set from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The Freshware Bamboo Cutting Board Set of 3 is a versatile and eco-friendly kitchen essential designed to handle all your everyday food preparation needs with ease. Crafted from 100% sustainable bamboo, these cutting boards provide a durable, food-safe surface while supporting environmentally responsible forestry practices. Unlike plastic or glass boards, the natural bamboo surface is gentle on knife edges, helping preserve the sharpness of your cutlery while reducing slipping for safer, more comfortable food preparation. This thoughtfully designed set includes 3 convenient sizes: large board for carving meats and preparing family meals, a medium board for chopping vegetables, and a small board for slicing fruits, herbs, or snacks, making it easy to select the perfect board for every task. Freshware's unique construction features alternating bamboo grain orientation to enhance strength and resist warping, providing dependable performance for years of daily use. Each board also includes a practical hanging hole that doubles as a comfortable finger grip, allowing for easy carrying, organized storage, and quick access whenever needed. Lightweight yet sturdy, the boards fit neatly into cabinets or hang beautifully on kitchen hooks. Combining sustainability, durability, knife-friendly performance, and everyday convenience, the Freshware Bamboo Cutting Board Set offers an excellent solution for home cooks seeking reliable, attractive, and long-lasting cutting boards for every kitchen task. Number 2. The Keechee Bamboo Cutting Board Set is a premium collection of 3 versatile cutting boards designed to simplify every stage of meal preparation while adding durability and style to your kitchen. The set includes practical 15x10-inch, 12x8-inch, and 9x6-inch boards, allowing you to conveniently separate meat, vegetables, fruits, bread, cheese, and serving tasks for improved organization and food safety. Crafted from sustainably harvested bamboo, each board undergoes an advanced 500 degrees Fahrenheit carbonization process that significantly reduces moisture absorption while enhancing structural stability, helping resist warping, cracking, mold, and odor retention even after frequent use. The cross-laminated bamboo construction provides exceptional strength without being harsh on knife blades, preserving their sharpness while delivering a smooth, comfortable cutting surface. Each reversible board offers dual-purpose functionality, with one side featuring a deep juice groove that captures liquids from meats and fruits to keep countertops clean during food preparation. Built-in handles make lifting, transferring ingredients, or serving appetizers effortless, while hanging holes provide convenient storage and quick drying. Easy maintenance requires only simple washing and occasional conditioning with natural mineral oil to preserve the bamboo's beauty. Backed by a lifetime warranty, satisfaction guarantee, and responsive customer support, the Keechee Bamboo Cutting Board Set is a dependable, eco-friendly kitchen essential and an excellent gift for home cooks. Number 3. The Greener Chef Luxury Bamboo Cutting Board Set of 3 is a premium kitchen essential designed for home cooks who value safety, durability, and everyday convenience. Crafted from high-quality bamboo, these cutting boards feature a revolutionary patent-pending glue-free cutting surface that eliminates exposed glue and formaldehyde from the food preparation area, providing a cleaner, non-toxic surface suitable for preparing everything from fresh produce to raw poultry and seafood. The generously sized set includes 3 oversized boards measuring 18 by 12.5 inches, 15 by 11 inches, and 12 by 9 inches, offering up to 50% more workspace than many standard cutting boards, making meal preparation easier and more organized. Despite their spacious design, each board remains lightweight at just 0.6 inches thick, making lifting, carrying, and serving effortless without sacrificing strength or stability. The bamboo construction is naturally knife-friendly, helping preserve blade sharpness while providing a durable surface built to withstand years of daily use. Maintenance is simple with hand washing, air drying, and occasional oiling to maintain the board's natural beauty and performance. Customers appreciate the solid craftsmanship, smooth finish, attractive appearance, and multiple size options, while the lifetime replacement guarantee and responsive USA-based customer support provide added confidence, making this cutting board set an outstanding long-term investment for any kitchen. Number 4. The Farberware 4-piece bamboo cutting board set is a practical and versatile kitchen essential designed to handle every stage of food preparation with convenience and style. This complete set includes 4 different sized bamboo cutting boards, making it easy to dedicate separate boards to slicing fruits, chopping vegetables, carving meats, preparing bread, or serving appetizers while helping reduce cross-contamination. Each board features a reversible design, allowing one side to be used for food preparation and the other for serving, making them equally useful as elegant charcuterie or cheese boards for entertaining guests. Crafted from naturally strong bamboo, these boards provide excellent durability while remaining gentle on knife blades, helping preserve the sharpness of your favorite kitchen cutlery. Bamboo is also one of the fastest-growing renewable materials, making this set an environmentally responsible addition to any kitchen. Lightweight and easy to handle, the boards store conveniently without taking up excessive space, making them ideal for apartments, family kitchens, dorms, or first homes. Cleaning is simple with warm water and mild detergent, and proper hand washing helps maintain their attractive appearance for long-term use. Customers appreciate the attractive finish, variety of useful sizes, easy maintenance, and excellent value, making the Farberware 4-piece bamboo cutting board set a thoughtful housewarming gift and a dependable everyday companion for home cooks of every skill level. Number 5. The Astercook Deep-Carbonized bamboo cutting boards for kitchen set combines durability, functionality, and elegant design to enhance everyday food preparation. Crafted from premium bamboo and strengthened through a high-heat deep carbonization process, these cutting boards offer superior resistance to warping, cracking, and moisture absorption while maintaining a smooth, knife-friendly surface that helps preserve blade sharpness. The set includes 3 convenient sizes: 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches, making it easy to handle everything from slicing fruits and vegetables to carving meat, preparing family meals, or serving appetizers. Each board features a reversible design with one side equipped with deep juice grooves that capture liquids from meats and fruits, helping keep countertops clean, while the smooth reverse side doubles as an attractive serving board for charcuterie, cheeses, bread, and snacks. Unlike many traditional cutting board sets, this collection includes a matching storage stand that keeps every board neatly organized, upright, and properly ventilated for faster drying and a clutter-free kitchen. Customers appreciate the attractive bamboo finish, practical assortment of sizes, easy maintenance, and overall value. While opinions on long-term durability vary, many users find the boards sturdy, versatile, and ideal for daily cooking. With its eco-friendly bamboo construction and gift-ready presentation, the Astercook cutting board set is an excellent addition to any modern kitchen. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.